Hello guys, so today me and my sister are going to do a volcano experiment. So here's what we need. Vinegar. It has to be a certain vinegar, which is mold. So it is this. So you can measure the liters. So we got one pair of gloves. We got two of these. I have no idea what they're called. Actually, wait. The funnels, yeah. Funnels. We got two. We got red dye. So when the volcano erupts, it can be red. And we got bicarbonate soda.
And we got a volcano.
And here's just the volcano.
Small one though.
A small one.
With the
So here's what we need to do. Well, let me just get the...
Take this out.
We need to take all of it out.
Put the vinegar behind.
You can just move that to the side if you want.
Take one.
Take one funnel out. Funnel. You bicarbonate soda out. Really hard to say. So, do we have the instructions?
Yeah, it's here.
Where is it? Oh, thank you. So first it says, I didn't know if I forgot.
This is blood.
You have to pour 50 ml of vinegar into your measuring jug or baby bottle, anything.
Baby bottle. Tell them how much
It
liters.
stinks nasty.
Any.
You have to do 50 liters. There, that's what
We'll
we
sell
got.
it. Sell it today.
Really would hate to smell this, man. It smells so bad.
Do this. Do this.
Okay, now we have to do...
Carefully pour it in.
Oh no, that
Carefully
stinks.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Should have not smelled it. Let me smell it.
Once you got all that in,
Smell this.
you have to put a little bit of...
Red dye.
Yeah, let me just check.
Blood.
A few drops of red dye.
I think dye and blood. I told you.
You can do red and orange hair dye if you want. You can choose.
Or any colour. It's blood here, blood.
The
The
best.
best colour will be red or orange. And blood.
Now you would have to put the funnel in
Blood.
and then get some bicarbonate soda. Let me just move this. Bicarbonate soda and tip it in to the funnel.
With the funnel, and you'll see very.
Stop copying me, please.
Sorry then.
So once it's gone in, wait, I'll just
Not my dad.
flipping thing ain't going in.
That's yours.
Yeah, so you have to just get all your. So you just. Look at that.
That didn't even go in.
That looks amazing, doesn't it?
Look, it didn't even go in as well.
Look at that. It just didn't fall in.
And
Yo, see it pouring.
yo, you can look
I'm gonna pour some more bicarbonate soda. Are you dumb? It's not real.
Papa. We're just gonna add it back because it didn't go in.
Whoa, that is amazing.
Really dark. It wasn't dark before, now it's gone really dark. Even though you haven't put it in.
It looks like I got blood on my hand.
And it looks
Yeah.
blood.
Doesn't
I'm in the
look like-
video though.
It was
I'm
very
in the
red.
video. I don't want to
That's
be
so stupid, brother. See that? Look at that.
See that?
It stinks so bad.
And it
What
looks
do
like
you
blood.
think about it, Amelia?
Blood. It looks like blood.
Blood.
It looks
Okay,
like blood.
so today's video is about this.
The volcano.
So
Okay.
please like, subscribe, and comment. If you thought this volcano experiment was good, like. If you didn't, comment. And
Well, we please do
what do
want
you
you to
think?
like. I think that's very closely like. Look, 'cause
Okay.
it looks like blood.
I'm gonna vomit, man. It
Oh, yes.
stinks. So please like and subscribe. Bye.